Hey everyone, it's Julie. Hope everyone's having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how to make roasted carrots and zucchini. You need a cup of carrots peeled and sliced, 2 zucchinis peeled and sliced, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. You're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then line your sheet pan with parchment paper. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it. Peel and slice your carrots and zucchini, then you're going to transfer to your sheet pan with parchment paper. Sprinkle sea salt and drizzle the extra virgin olive oil over the carrots and zucchini. Mix until evenly coated. I'm using my hands because I just want to be sloppy today. Roast the carrots and zucchini in the oven for about 40 minutes. Flip the carrots and zucchinis 20 minutes into roasting. Take out when thoroughly cooked. Serve and enjoy.